Been working on the old Chevelle for a while, aka fast rust. Interior rear paneling. This is what I started with. And after a little elbow grease, this is what I ended with. Fantastic results. Here's how. And this is what it looks like after scrubbing it down with some 800 grit gray scrubby pads with water and a brass brush to get some of those very hard to get off white specks, which I never did figure out what were, but I've got most of them off now. And now we'll take some prep spray, clean it up, apply the adhesion promoter, and then give it a couple of coats of paint. So I got it cleaned off with the Duplicolor prep spray. And that's what we're looking at now. Next, slide this on there and then finish it off with a couple of coats of this gloss black. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh yes, definitely has a glue type smell. Now let's see what we get. A couple of light coats of this. Looking pretty good already, just with the adhesion promoter on there. Definitely has a little different consistency than what a normal spray paint would have. You can kind of see that already. I'm going to go up with it, and then I'll go down with it. Looks pretty good. Does not smell good, but looks good. Ooh. Definitely odoriferous. It looks pretty good. Yeah, we'll let that dry, see where we are. Alright, so here's the reconditioned one, which I think turned out pretty good. And there's the haven't started on it yet one, which is pretty bad. So I think I've got a winning combination here of preps and paints, and let's see, I ended up That's the paint. And then I put a light coat of just this 1K gloss clear on it because I thought maybe matte would work on it, and I got this for the trunk floor, which obviously I haven't finished yet. And I put that down here. I don't know if it's going to show, not really. But just down here I tested it with the matte, and I did not like it. You can't really see it in the video, but I could see it in real life. Well, there you can kind of see the difference. Just that bottom strip. And I thought that the extra shine was just right. And actually, it's really not extra. It actually just kind of sealed in how that paint laid on with the gloss clear. So that's what I went with. Pretty happy with that.